देवाय यज्ञं तन्वानाः अवध्यं पुरुषं पशो तं यज्ञं वरेषत्राय।
ओके एवरीवन बैक 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 ना కొంచెం సైడ్ अन्ना 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 सहस्रकोटि युगधारिणे नमः।
मैडम को देना करेंगे मैडम को देना करेंगे
ओम योम वस्त्राणे पे बसा बसाते यो रक्षद्रांतो हसगाः अवातर दमंत्रतार विश्वा अधेर मित्रा वरुणासदेथे यो वैतां ब्रह्मणो वेदामृतेरामृतां पुरीं तस्मै ब्रह्म च ब्रह्मा च आयुक्तेत्तं प्रजान्तरः भागधेये नैवैनं प्रणयते ब्राह्मणार्षयरुद्धरे ब्राह्मणो वै श्रीलङ्केतये देवता एव देवता प्रीणाति पर्याप्त्यानन्दरायाय सर्वस्याप्यै सर्वस्य दित्ते सर्वमेव तेनाप्नोति सर्वं जयते राजाधिराजाय प्रसन्न सागरे नमो वयं वै श्रवणाय पूर्वहे समेकाभान् कामकामाय मख्यं कामेश्वरो वै श्रवणो दधातु वैराज वै श्रवणाय महाराजाय नमः। श्रियामद्धस्य वायुष्यमारोग्यमायुधा शोभमानमख्यं दे धान्यं धनमिन्द्राय सौभाग्यकलशे सुकलशे दीर्घाश्रुष्मेः बृहस्पतिप्रसूदास्तानं चन्द्रं हसः सहिरत्नानि दासे सुवाते सुविदा भगः तं भागं प्रमेमहे हिरण्यरूपस्य हिरण्यसर्गपाच्छेद हिरण्यवर्णः हिरण्ययाश्रुष्मेः बृहस्पतिप्रसूदास्तानं चन्द्रं हसः अलम् पुत्रपोत्रधनो यस्मात् तस्मात् श्याम विम्रयच्छ मे।
Yes.
Start spoken Sanskrit classes.
Sanskrit classes.
Skill training.
Telugu vastunda naku?
Sayed. He graduated from our college.
He's for Kadapa. I read that.
Kadapa Ayurveda.
వెరీ నైస్ చాలా బాగా చేశారు. They all dressed in Kerala dress. Uniform. Very good, very good.
चाप आ जाएगा
Very good, very good, very good.
English.
This is for the strengthening society.
What do you suspend in this?
The limbs,
Limbs.
because they don't have the power to go against the gravity. So
Pain cleaning. Music
music
therapy.
therapy
This is
with the
very
radars.
Very good. It's a great thing for stability.
चलो चलो
With the goals of health education, free medicines, regular health checkups, and creation of a health ID for the poor people.
Sri Sri Holistic Hospitals and Wellness Units have been inspired by the vision of Gurudev. This intelligence in us that created us can heal any disease and lead us to a state of physical, mental, social, and spiritual well-being.
This is done through community outreach centers, drinking water projects, and mobile health units.
At Sri Sri Holistic Hospitals, we seamlessly integrate yoga, Ayurveda, and allopathic medicine so that both the patient and the doctor can choose whatever they think is right for the individual. This is a one-stop place for all your health and wellness requirements.
ఈ సంస్థ రామచంద్ర సర్వీసెస్ ప్రైవేట్ లిమిటెడ్ యొక్క ఎయిమ్ ఏమిటంటే సేవే దీని యొక్క ఎయిమ్. దీనికి ఈ సంస్థ తప్పనిసరిగా కట్టుబడి ఉంటుంది.
To start the inauguration process, because we have 3 hospitals, 2 clinic, and 1 blood bank to be inaugurated today. Tushara has devised a novel method. She has these plaques of inauguration, which will be inaugurated by Gurudev, and they'll be carried to the respective hospitals. They'll be carried to the respective hospitals and placed at the entrance. I now ask Gurudev to light the lamp.
Om Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritangamaya.
शांति शांति शांति।
I would now request my father, Mr. V.L. Narayana, and the CEO of the hospital, Dr. Subba Rao, Dr. Vijay Lakshmi, Madam, and Dr. Rajesh Khanna to go on to the dais to receive the plaques of inauguration of the Kukatpalli hospitals, both of them, and the two clinics. ఇవ్వు వేరేది నెక్స్ట్ ఇవ్వు అందరికి ఇచ్చి కేవీహెచ్బి గివ్ టు మేడం. సుబ్బారావు గారు తీసుకుని I now request Dr. Shashikant Reddy and Dr. Ramakrishna Reddy and Dr. Niranjan Reddy and Sharad Babu, the CEO of the Kadapa hospitals, to receive the Kadapa plaque. Check ready now. I now request Mr. Bhoga Chennaya, who runs the Bhoga Parvatineniyamma Blood Bank at Kadapa. Many people in Kadapa used to die because of lack of platelet subfractions, and we would like him to receive a check of 15 lakhs for his SDP machine through Gurudev's divine hands. So this is the first time platelet subfractions for dengue fever and other illnesses are going to be available in Kadapa. I now request for the inauguration of the Prema block, and for this I request Dr. Tushara, Dr. Amrita and Dr. Nikhila to go to the stage to receive the plaque of inauguration of the Prema block, and Dr. Syed also, who is our Ayurveda doctor at Kadapa. I now ask Arakapudi Gandhi Garu to come to the stage to receive the plaque for the inauguration of the water projects. There are 2 water projects that were given by the government to us for maintenance, and another 3 RO water projects, each with a capacity of 20,000 liters per hour, 2,000 liters per hour. And these are not just water projects, because we are going to have a community health center there with a doctor's visit every day so that he can promote health and yoga there in those areas. I now ask Lalita to come onto the stage. She is a long-term devotee of Gurudev, and she is now settled in US, and she has made this beautiful painting of Gurudev on oil and canvas, and she wanted it to be inaugurated by him only. I'll now ask Gurudev to give a few words to the doctors and other dignitaries here.
प्रणवार्थाय शुद्धज्ञानैकमूर्तये निर्मलाय प्रशान्ताय दक्षिणामूर्तये Vaidyo Narayano Hari. This is what our ancient scripture says. Narayana, Hari and Vaidya are synonymous. Like Narayana is maintaining the whole world, Vaidya is maintaining your body. So he is also a tiny Narayana only. So I see here Narayana in front, Narayana hither, Narayana everywhere. And the doctors who have taken with such a noble cause to bring health to people is the greatest good fortune, both of the society and for the individual. Like Ramachandran has been on it's his passion for both of them, husband, wife, their passion for so many years to bring holistic health care, to the whole population. He always wanted to, every time he met me, he said, give me blessings, so I have to do big work, more work. And I am happy to see in multiple places the clinic has already been opened. He is doing things with a vision and with such a pure heart and pure vision. This is what is most important, Many people do all this work, but doing it with a vision and with a mission, very few people do it. Today, when education and healthcare and everything has become a business, there are very few people who balance that with charity, with care and concern for the population. And this is one such hospital which is built on the foundation of compassion, the foundation of care, health for all. I wish all the doctors and all those who are associated with this hospital, I give them blessings, and I wish them good health for you and all strength for you to continue working this and expand this more. We should see this all over the world, all over this country. Such holistic health care centers are needed, and let us make our world a healthy place. Our mantras, Vedic mantra says, Swasti na Indro Bruddhashrava. Any puja, first thing is Shanti mantra. Shanti mantra is possible only when there is Swasti Vachana. Swasti Vachana is Swasti na Indro Bruddhashrava. May health come to us. Holistic health. Health of body, mind and spirit. All three. It's such a beautiful place and very good, good way of prevention of hospital. This is a hospital when people must visit, not after they get sick, but even before they get, even if, to not to get to sick also you have to visit hospital. Usually people you take them when they are sick, but this is a place where you go to prevent any sickness that might come in our way. This is the speciality here. I congratulate the whole family, Nayanagaru. See, and he is so dedicated, he's like a rishi here. మీ చేసే పుణ్యమే వీళ్ళందరూ అన్ని బాగా మంచి సంస్కారం ఇచ్చారు మీరందరికీ. ఇది కావాలి, మా దేశం ఇది కావాలి. అందరికీ ఆశీర్వాదము, మంగళం. ఓం శాంతి.
I request Sri Narayan sir to felicitate Shankaraya, GHMC Commissioner, who has graced this occasion in spite of his busy schedule. I wholeheartedly thank you, sir. I behalf of Shri Shri Holistic Hospitals, thank Surender Rao sir, ACP, without whose cooperation this program wouldn't have been so successful, for providing us this immense security. I request Sri Narayan sir to felicitate Surender Rao sir, behalf of Shri Shri Holistic Hospital. I request Srimati Kavya Reddy Garu, Corporator of Kukatpalli, to accept our token of love and respect. I request Dr. Vijay Lakshmi ma'am, HOD of Gynecology and Obstetrics Department, Shri Shri Holistics Hospital, to felicitate Srimati Kavya Reddy Garu. I wholeheartedly thank you ma'am for gracing this occasion. I take this occasion to thank and Madhavi Garu from NTV. I request Samira Madam to felicitate Madhavi Garu from NTV. I thank you behalf of Shri Shri Holistic Hospitals for gracing this occasion. I request Srimati Shamala Garu, wife of Arekapudi Gandhi Garu, to accept our token of love and respect. I request Dr. Vijay Lakshmi ma'am to felicitate Shamala Garu. Thank you ma'am. I request Mrs. Shankaraya, GHMC Commissioner, to accept our token of love and respect. Mrs. Shankaraya, GHMC Commissioner. I request Shamala ma'am to felicitate Mrs. Shankaraya. I request Samira ma'am. Thank you ma'am for gracing the occasion. I take this opportunity to thank each and everyone who has gathered here. I thank each and everyone who has gathered here today for this inauguration function. I also take this opportunity to thank each and every staff of Sri Sri Holistic Hospitals. Thank you very much. Jai Gurudev. I request everyone to kindly accept a small snack. Thank you. In the same floor, here itself.